Hello mga ka-Health Real Talk! Did you know you lose about 50 to 100 strands of hair every day? Normal lang yan. Part ng natural cycle ng katawan. So kung may nalalagas man, okay lang. Hindi ibig sabihin kalbo ka na sa buhay. Kasi ang buhok may growth phases. May nalalagas, may tumutubo, may nagpapahinga. Ganun talaga. May paalis, may paparating. Hindi porket may nawala, wala nang susunod. Ganyan din sa buhay. May mga bagay na nawawala, like opportunities, relationships, plans, pero hindi ibig sabihin, tapos ka na. Minsan kailangan may malaglag para may bagong tumubo. Mas healthy, mas bagay, at mas ikaw. Losing something doesn't mean losing yourself. So when life feels like it's shedding, don't panic. Baka renewal lang. Baka growth season lang ito. This is your Health Real Talk, reminding you that falling apart is sometimes just the beginning of growing back stronger. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day, everyone.